Today I'm in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm going to show you the Moxy Hotel. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm in downtown Louisville, staying here for a couple days. Check out some bourbon, and I'm staying at the Moxy Hotel, and it's kind of interesting. Let me show it to you. It's right downtown off the Ohio River and right at the end of Whiskey Row, so you can certainly walk around there. Now, the hotel is interesting because it doesn't have a traditional lobby. It's actually the bar seating area, and the bar itself is where you're going to check in for your room. The whole hotel skews towards a more younger, active crowd, and actually when you check in, you get a poker chip that is good for one Moxy cocktail. The lobby area is a game room and lounge area. The restaurant outside is Zombie Tacos, and you can absolutely spend some time down here, hang out with some friends by the fire, and at night the place is hopping with music. Alright, so just got to my Moxy room. Let's see what we get. A mirror right here so that I can say hi. Thermostat right here. I think we're gonna want that on. Oh man, it's at 69. It's pretty chilly. And then over here, oh, water closet. So the toilet is here. Push button type. So at least that's a kind of a separate room. I definitely would have thought that would have been a closet if I were a betting man. And then we have the sink out here. So I think everything about this is kind of smaller, more efficient. And this is set up with the towels, sink basin here, and again, mirror. And this, I think, is actually 25-pound limit here, the desk. So that just kind of folds down, and then I get a flat surface. Do it with a little magnetic holder right here, so you can't pull something right to the edge, but then you also have a cork board there. I'm not sure that I'm gonna pin stuff up, but you might. Then I guess we would use this as the chair. It looks like a little bench, but I'm kind of guessing that you would use this as your work chair, because that seems a little bit too low and laid back. Here is, I'm gonna say, I think this is a queen bed, although it looks suspiciously like a full size, but I think it's supposed to be a queen bed. And while this room is fairly standard sized, the one advantage of this room is supposedly the partial river view. So right outside of Louisville, we've got the main river right there, so we get a little view of downtown and these office buildings, as well as the street below. It's kind of interesting. You have this little leather pocket here with the side lights. I definitely like this. It's kind of a distressed leather headboard, which is just kind of a big mat against the wall there. And we also have like a modern push button telephone, but it definitely looks old and vintage. Outlets right there so I can charge my stuff. And then probably the most interesting thing about this is that this is a little curtain, so that basically all the bathroom stuff is on that side. So you use this curtain to really block it off. But again, it's not very big. If you were here with a couple people and you really wanted your own privacy, that's not a lot of privacy, but it would allow you to come out of the shower naked, not necessarily be seen by everyone. It's kind of got this cool white vintage tile look to it. It's pretty big. Frosted glass, so you get some natural light in there, but that is that. And then you come out here and take care of the rest of your things here. So pretty cool. I'm gonna hang up my clothes there. I would say no dresser, not a huge amount of workspace, no particular closet that I can see here. And so I think this is all supposed to be a little bit of a minimalist but trendy place, and definitely downstairs with the bar also being the check-in desk, pretty cool. So overall, I kind of dig it, but don't expect all of the same amenities that you might get at a more conventional hotel. But if you want to check out the Moxy anywhere, it's probably pretty similar, but the Moxy downtown Louisville, this is what you can expect. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more.